Welcome to Channel Name. I'm Kira.
And I'm Mark. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the show.
Today, we have a really fun topic. We are talking about travel and our favorite travel experiences.
That's right. I love to travel. Seeing new places is one of my favorite things to do.
Me too. I think it's so important to see different parts of the world. So, Mark, have you traveled recently?
Not very recently, but I have a great memory from a trip I took last year. What about you, Kira? Where did you go? Oh, Spain. That's fantastic. Which city did you visit?
I visited Barcelona. It is a beautiful city on the coast.
Right. I've heard it's amazing. Did you like it?
I loved it. The weather was perfect. It was warm and sunny every single day. I went to the beach.
A beach vacation. That sounds very relaxing.
It was. The water was so blue. But Barcelona has more than just beaches. I walked around the city a lot.
Uh-huh. What did you see?
The buildings were so beautiful and unique. There's an architect named Gaudi, and his style is everywhere. It's very colorful. Yes, exactly. I went to see it. It was amazing, so tall and detailed. I spent hours just looking at it.
Wow, I can imagine. And what about the food? I always want to know about the food.
Oh, the food was delicious. I ate a lot of tapas. They are small plates of food, so you can try many different things. I really liked patatas bravas, which are spicy potatoes, and the fresh seafood was great too.
That sounds so good. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it.
Me too. It was a wonderful trip. The people were friendly, and the city has a great energy. I want to go back.
It sounds like a perfect vacation. So what about your favorite memory, Mark?
You said you have a good one.
Yes, my favorite memory is from my trip to Paris.
Paris? That's a classic. I have always wanted to go there.
It's popular for a reason. It is a really beautiful city. I went with my family 2 years ago.
Nice. What did you do there?
Well, of course, we had to see the Eiffel Tower.
Of course. Was it as amazing as it looks in pictures?
It was even better. It is huge. We took an elevator to the top, and the view of the city was incredible.
Wow. I bet. Were you scared of the height?
A little bit, but the view makes you forget. We also walked along the River Seine. Many artists were painting by the river.
That sounds lovely. Very romantic.
It was. We also visited the Louvre Museum to see the famous Mona Lisa painting.
The real one? Wow.
The real one. It was behind very thick glass, and there were many people. But it was cool to see it in person.
I bet. And the food? Did you eat lots of croissants?
So many croissants. They are the best in Paris. Every morning, we went to a small bakery, a boulangerie, for fresh bread and pastries.
That's the dream. A fresh croissant in Paris.
It really is. It was a fantastic trip with great memories.
That's so nice. You know, for people learning English who want to travel, do you have any tips?
That's a great question. I think my biggest tip is to learn a few basic words of the local language.
I agree.
Just saying hello, thank you, and goodbye in their language makes a big difference. People appreciate it.
Exactly. So where do you want to travel to next, Mark? Any dream destinations?
I think I would love to go to Japan someday. The mix of old temples and modern cities seems so interesting.
Ooh, Japan is high on my list too. The culture and the food would be amazing.
Right? What about you, Kara? Where to next?
I think I want a nature trip. Maybe visit Costa Rica to see the rainforests and all the amazing animals.
That sounds like a big adventure, seeing monkeys in the wild.
Yes, that would be a dream come true.
Well, I hope we both get to take those trips very soon.
Me too. And that's all the time we have for today on Channel Name.
Goodbye, everyone.